Greetings, welcome you all on behalf of NIMI, Chennai. I am Thangababu from Government ITI, Chengalpattu, Tamil Nadu. Today we are going to discuss on air impact wrenches, air ratchets, and also we are going to discuss on pliers. At the end of the class, you shall be able to state the uses and working principle of air impact wrenches, air ratchets, and also the features, types and uses of pliers. Now let us see the air impact wrenches and air ratchets. Basically, the air impact wrenches and air ratchets operated by using the compressed air. The air impact wrenches was first invented by Robert H. Pott of Evansville, Indiana. The air impact wrench is a socket wrench power tool designed to deliver high torque output with minimal exertion by the user. It is used to screwing and unscrewing of bolt and nuts faster. There is also a hammer mechanism in the impact wrenches. Shall we see the other name of this equipment? It is also called as impactor, impact gun, air wrench, air gun, rattle gun, torque gun and windy gun. The air impact wrench consists of the following parts: housing, anvil, hammer cage, rotor, rotor cylinder, forward and reverse control button. Compressed air is the most common power source for impact wrenches. The compressed air enters to the system. The rotor cylinder is rotated by the high pressure air. The hammer cage creates the force to operate spindle. The spindle consists of socket head to screwing and unscrewing of bolt and nuts. The direction of operation can be controlled by the button. Next we can see air ratchet. Air ratchet is generally smaller, offers less torque but has more precision compared to the larger and louder impact wrench. Students, now let us see pliers. You all know pliers having a pair of legs joined by pivot, hinge or fulcrum pin. Each leg consists of a long handle and a short jaw. Okay, elements of pliers with two joint cutters. Students, it is also called as combination pliers. It has flat jaw, pipe grip, side cutters, joint cutters and handles. Flat jaw tips are serrated for general gripping. Pipe grip is serrated for gripping cylindrical object. Cutters are provided for cutting of soft wires. Two joint cutters are provided for cutting or shearing of steel wires. Handles are used for applying pressure by hand. Common sizes of pliers available in markets are 150 mm to 230 mm. Now let us see the types of pliers: flat nose pliers, round nose pliers, slip joint pliers, end cutting pliers, internal circlip pliers, external circlip pliers, side cutting pliers and locking pliers. Now let us see one by one. Flat nose pliers. It has tapered wedge jaws with flat gripping which may be either smooth or serrated. It is used for bending and folding narrow strips of thin sheet. Second, round nose pliers. This type of pliers is made with tapered round shaped. They are used to shape loops in wires and form curves in light metal strips. Third one, slip joint pliers. These pliers are available in various range of positions with different shapes of pivot pins. They have various range of jaw openings also. It is mainly used for gripping. Fourth, end cutting pliers. These pliers have the same uses as the side cutting pliers. Then circlip pliers. Circlip pliers are used for fitting and removing circlips assembly works. There are two types of circlip pliers. They are internal circlip pliers, external circlip pliers. Next, side cutting pliers. They are used for shearing of wires in confined spaces and cutting of wires close to the surface level. Students, they are also used for spreading the cotter pin. Last, we can see the locking pliers. It is attached with a movable handles which clamps the jaws onto an object of any shape. It has high gripping power. The screw in the handle enables adjustment of the lever action to the work size. Dear students, so far we discussed about working principle and uses of air impact wrenches, air ratchets, and also we discussed about the types, features and uses of pliers. I hope you all understood. Thank you. See you in the next video.